Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a full comparison of Gumroad versus Etsy and help you decide which one is better in 2026. Yeah, both platforms are great for selling products online, but they work very differently. So choosing the right one depends on your goals because honestly, the wrong choice can slow your growth. So first, let's talk about traffic. Etsy has built-in traffic and millions of buyers searching for products every day, which means you can get sales even if you're just starting and don't have an audience. Next, Gumroad. Yeah, Gumroad doesn't bring traffic for you. You need to drive your own audience from YouTube, social media, or email lists, but in return, you get more control over your brand and customers. After that, fees and profit. Gumroad usually takes around 10% plus processing fees, while Etsy has multiple fees like listing, transaction, and ads, which can add up depending on your sales. Also, ease of use. Yeah, Gumroad is simpler and faster to set up, especially for digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates, while Etsy requires more optimization like SEO, thumbnails, and competition handling, and yeah, product type. So, Etsy is better for handmade physical or visual digital products, while Gumroad works best for digital creators selling courses, software, or premium content. Finally, the verdict. Most of the time, Etsy is better for beginners with no audience because of built-in traffic, while Gumroad is better if you already have followers and want full control and higher long-term growth. So, neither is universally better. It depends on your strategy. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.